If you want to delete your OKX account, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open up the OKX app on your phone, and once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the top left corner on these dots. Then you'll have to tap on your profile. Then you'll have to navigate to the security section. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way. On the bottom, you'll be able to find an option of close account. You'll have to tap on it. Then tap on close. Now you'll have to select one of these reasons to continue. I'll select this one and tap on continue. Then click on continue to close. Then make sure that you read all of these things and then tap I understand. And you'll have to wait a bit. Then tap I understand. Then hit continue again. Now at the last step, it will show you all of your assets and all things. Then you'll have to tap on I agree, then hit continue again. And at this stage, if you'll tap on close account, your account will be closed permanently, and this action cannot be undone. So make sure that whenever you want or whenever you are closing your account, make sure to transfer all the assets or funds from your OKX account to any other exchange account, so that you'll not face any loss. So by tapping on close account, your account will be permanently closed and this action is undone, and you'll be able to delete or close your OKX account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.